The Pick Your Color reusable balloon cluster from Great American is the best way to attract new prospects or add something special to your event. We've simplified the ordering process by adding a personalization option to the product page. This means you can save time and preview the finished product before ordering. From the home page, scroll down and click on Reusable Vinyl Balloons. Next, click on Custom Reusable Balloons. Here, you'll see our selection of Pick Your Color clusters. Pick the one that best suits you. Enter your desired quantity and select the Personalize and Add to Cart button. The number shown in the Balloon Selection tab corresponds with the numbers on each balloon image. Once you make a selection, select the Apply Preview button and review your proof. Now's the time to decide if this is the look you're going for. If yes, select the Save and Add to Cart button and proceed with your order. If this is not the look you're going for, go back to the balloon selector and select the balloon or balloons you want to change. Select Apply Preview again to view your latest proof. Once you are satisfied with your proof, select Save and Add to Cart. Now you can check out and wait for your new balloon cluster to arrive. But don't forget some new flags to go along with them. The red swirl wave flag kit and bandit sign are our best-selling flag and sign and are available in several advertising messages to grab your prospects' attention.